How to use Amazon gift card on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys on using an Amazon gift card to get Robux on your Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch a web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now hover over to the left side of the screen and there you will see the option of redeem, which you will find between transactions and premium. Simply tap on it. After that, go to amazon.com and then search for Robux. Find the amount of the Robux that you want to buy. For example, if you have a $10 Amazon gift card, choose the $10 Robux gift card. Now click on Add to Cart option that is highlighted in yellow color and proceed to check out. During the checkout, you will see a field to enter a gift card or promotional code. Enter your Amazon gift card number over there and then complete the purchase. Check your email for the Robux code from Amazon and go back to Robux redeem page and enter the code that you received in the email. Click on redeem and you will be able to use your Amazon gift card to get Robux. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.